Emantombazane ehlisi faka nama-CV ebox emanejela uzobona man-off yo. Uzobezwa. Uzoba iproduce tufuza endodeni yakho thina etekisini usidlalisa kabuhlungu ntombazane. Shafede back to back with another banger. Ngihambe ngiyi-1 ngihamba no team A no team B. You know what time it is, food game competition. Ikanje le ndaba mntasekhaya. I've got team A and team B. Ozoqeda kuqala ukudla stand a chance to win boma 100,000 cash nyana. Awusiqale ngapha ku team B. Sawubona team B, how are you?
100,000. Sibadala xa sibangaka sibadala.
Obvious 100,000 cash ngadlala 100 rand. Ufila kanjani ukuthi uzoyiwin or ngeke uyiwin? How do you feel?
Ndizoyiwina.
You sure? Uyasho ukuthi uzoqeda lokho uzoqeda nedrink yakho win 100 rand. Are you sure? Okay, hayi siyakuzwa team B. Athi sibuye ngapha ku team A. Team A wena ufila kanjani ukuthi uzowina 100,000 cash?
Not make sure.
Yeah?
Not make sure.
Yini ngakho make sure?
Adimthembi la house ngapha ya next door.
Awumthembi ngani wena uzithembi?
Ngiyazithemba mina yo. Billion% sure.
No, billion%. Afele siyamnyamuzwa ukuthi team A uthi billion% ngayi but is not make sure 100,000. Mara siko da into important nayi ke. Team A sicela usivulele iplate lakho sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani. All right, same applies. Okay, so bheka ipapa. Okay, never mind. Team B sicela uvule nawe sibone ukuthi usiphatheleni. Okay, it seems like it's communicating. So na indaba enzakalayo ne. Into enzakalayo lana ikanje. Team A, Team B niyalazi udaba ngithi. Na 100 rand ozoqeda kuqala ukudla stand a chance to win 100 rand. Sisungayibambi ngoba ngeke uqeda ukudla wena ngathi awuthembisi.
Ungangiqheli wena.
Okay, asikho lapha lo sisi. Seningadwadla ke sibone ukuthi nisiphetheleni.
Wena uyaphapha wena. Sakunukela yini? Uyaphapha wena.
Lo sisi ngathi ungamzumanyana lo ngathi ungxamile yena yo. Bathi umuntu makacela imali wathi ivojina. Uthi kuhaba chelete vojina. Awuthi ngihlale phansi ngibona team A no team B. It seems like it's manyukunyuku, it's manyikinyoso.
Akadophi lutho.
It seems manyukunyoso.
Ethe yawungishayisa uthi Virginia.
Izodlala iTV mntanami wawuthembeni wena uthi uyafuna ukuyingena igame competition. Lapha Alexander I know ukuthi nilindile and I've been saying ukuthi ngizovela, so this is a starter episode 1. So into enzakalayo, the more the views, the more the likes, the more everything is the one ezonginika ithembu lokuthi I can now start going emakasi to cars. But my second episode ngiyoshayela Alexander mntasekhaya. If you are viewers Alexander, just be alert ukuthi ngizobe ngikhona, but I won't be sharing information ukuthi ngizobe ngikuphi nendawo because it has to be a surprise. Nabanye mangibabamba ngizobabamba ngesurprise. Uyayithola ngithi. So ithi sibona bosisi ukuthi basiphethele intoni Vojina izodlala eTV. Ungasabi ukugunya nejuice onayo sister, ngiyakubona ngathi ujahile nje. Oh shit.
Okay.
Ngiyahleka mina. Okay, all right. Hayi yadlala iTV mntakabawo. Team A lapha ngathi uyathembisa ke yena uthi mina ngiyaqeda lokudla ngiyayifuna le 100 rand. Maybe I can buy myself my pencil. Ngazithengela ama rubber nama scissors, but kuzodepend ngoba nezikolo ziyavulwa. Ngizobona mase ngicabangile ukuthi ngicabanga kanjani. Team B yena ngapha time nangisalwa nenyama Vojina. Team B uthi Vojina nkosi yami ngisalwa nenyama uze uyayisukumela uthi awungimele kancane papa. Papa ngilinde ungangihambe emqaleni. Ngimele kancane papa. Kunzima ukuthi Team B nkosi yami kodwa ke kuzolunga. Akukho kungalunga bathi hakuna mathada.
Hakuna.
Ku Team A ngathi sishayile epaleni mntakababa.
Hakuna matata.
Ngathi izilima ziyetsheni zishayile epaleni ku Team A. Ngiyayizwa ke pressure elapha ku Team B kodwa ngiyambona uyagibisela uphosa khona emapaleni. Kodwa ke siyobona namhlanje ukuthi ubani oyoqeda qala adobhe 100 rand bese atshela ama viewers ukuthi ufila kanjani lapha emakhaya. Ngathi akudleke kuhleli phansi ngathi kunento ethi sukumani nje. Hayi ithi sinilindeke sibone ukuthi what's happening. second episode ungakhuhlwa mbukeli siyeza lapho eAlexander. So wena uzositshela ukuthi how do you feel, how do you see them things, and what do you say, what's your comment. So sobona kuma comment section ukuthi wena ithini opinion yakho, cause obvious always kunama opinion wabantu. Of course, why not? Mina yami opinion ukuthi bengangena kule game competition, but ngiyazazi ukuthi ngithanda ukudla and mina ngabe kudala vele ngiyiwina R100. Mara sikho lapho. The more the views, the more the likes, the more the comments, the more they give us motivation to keep going forward with the show. This is just the first episode, but the first episode mlungu Monekhan yer. I-first episode izosinika i-appetite ukuthi siqhubeka ke siye phambili kwenzakaleni nakanjani yebo. So yiyo ezosilida ukuthi vele siyaya phambili yizodlala i-TV mntanami. Uyambona kusise ngathi uzojanta iCinderella lapho uthi under my umbrella Voshina kwase kwamnandi ekhaya. Uthi omunye mina ngibumba udongo lapha noma izindlu kwezodaka uthi udongo lami ngizolibumba ngizoliqeda. Uthi ngizolibumba udongo lami futhi ngizophinda ngiliqede. Anginandaba ukuthi ngiyoliqeda what time kodwa ukuliqeda ngizoliqeda. Voshina. Hey uteam A uyasilekelela lapha awusinike ithemba uteam A uthi hayi mina ngiyaqeda lokudla ngiyayidinga le R100. No team B uthi not in my sight hayi phambi kwamehlo wami nami ngiyibhekile le R100 nami ngiyayidinga ngizoqeda lokudla ngiyayifona le R100. Vojina
Kanjani.
Walithatha ke lapha uteam A waliphonsa ngaphansi naphezulu wabheka uteam B. Uteam B ngathi usabukile naye uteam A uthi team A wena ngathi uyangirobha. Kodwa nami ngizozama ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuze ngifikelele. Ulwa ngamandla kuteam A lapha uteam B ispirit lesakasenzayo uyangichaza ngoba ufuna ukugwinya konke lokudla same time avela bese ke faka ijuice athatha R100. Kanti naye uteam A lapha ecaleni lokuthi anginqamanga umuntu asekhaya ngizoloko ngithi chu kancane ngonyawo lonwabo. Ngizoze ngifike la ngiyakhona. Uthi sengiwaqobile kamathambo omzimba aphelile inyama iphelile ngiyiqedile lapha team B wena uthini sengisele ngepapa ke team B angazi wena uthini mangibhuka uteam B uthi mina sengivala nje ngishaya iplate lokugcina uthi nami sekunjalo ngiyoshaya iplate lokugcina uthi nami nomunye ngiyoshaya iplate lokugcina asazi iyozala nkomoni. Uteam A lapha uthi awuthi ngibese ngikhukhutha ithambo lami ngoba sekubonakala ukuthi ngathi ngiqedile. Uteam B uthi ungangilindi mntanami kithi. Omunye sekusela ama final ke lapha sekusele siphuze. Simuncamunqa siyaphuza. Uthi ngizoyishanga ivale ke mina. Simuncamunqa siyaphuza mntanami nginike. Simuncamunqa siyaphuza mntanami nginike. Simuncamunqa siyaphuza mntanami nginike. All right ke mbukele ngicela ukubanika ichance ke bazisule ke babe nama opinion bonke ukuthi how was the game, bebefila kanjani ukudla fast so in a short period of time. Obviously bona vele according to age yabo ukudla kumele kube set, but ngoba wena vele under 18 over 18 actually you are 18 and above okwakho ukudla kuzobe kuyintebelele nje kuzobe kuyintaba yase Dubai. Ethi ngibanike 2 minutes baqede basitshela uthini how was the pressure, bebefila kanjani. Mina ngiloko busy ngibabelesela ngecommentator camera ngishuthe kwangihama ukudla. Obviously sesibuyile sifuna ukubuza ke manje ukuthi how was the pressure, bebefila kanjani ukudla ngale ndlela. Uzozwa ke from uteam A uzophinda uzwe ku team B. Wena lapha emakhaya into ongabe yayenza ngabe uthatha ama notes ukuthi mawuza ube so prepared because la ngizofika khona and each and every cast ngizoshoot ama episode i3. So if I come to Alexander, just know ukuthi I'm gonna have 3 episode Alexander. Obviously it has to be abantu aba different, angangishoothe nabantu abayi1 waya. So Alexander ngiyeza asimamele team B.
Ekuqaleni sanizana ngoba ha kanti bona okay yena ugwinya slow hathi kam
Kanjani manje?
ngiyakuyinduka.
Voshina nimzwile ku team B ke lapho. Congratulations team B, round of applause to yourself. Team A kwenzakalani?
uqale right but njengoba kumele kuhle iwine imali feel bona like uyiwinile I feel iwine ngokucheat because I play it clean eyakho like yaba there's difference.
Oh, there's difference in it. Yona difference siyayibona, which is you telling the truth. You telling the truth. But then ke siyakuzwa wena team A ne. But because uyakwazi ukuziprotecta and nathi siyakubona lokho ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso. Ngicela ulande wallet lapha ngikunika 20 rand ukuthi usula amanxeba. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Team A uthi urobiwe iplate ka team B iclean ka team A yona kwathini kwachacima kwavutha but ke it is what it is. Okusalayo okwenzakele. There you go. Alexander siyeza wherever we go wherever we come ukuhamba kubona to go is to see. Welcome to South Africa. Lapho indoda ibizwa ngobaby, ingane ibizwa ngokhehla.